Computers communicate over the network using packets. This means that if we can intercept or spoof these packets, we can learn a lot about the user and their network traffic. In this lab, you will get introduced to Wireshark. Wireshark is a networking tool that allows you to capture all of the outgoing and incoming packets from your machine. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to stay connected with my upcoming videos. Setting up Wireshark. Open Wireshark by clicking the shark fin icon on the Kali Linux. Click the F0 interface to start the capture. Press the shark fin icon, in the top left, to start the process of capturing packets. Here you see the Wireshark main screen divided into three parts. The first part is a list of received packets. When you click any of the received packets, it shows you the packet values. This part is known as packets, fields, and values. And the third part contains the binary value of the packet. Analyzing network traffic using Wireshark. Wireshark lets you capture packets from your own machine. This is a great tool for digital forensics, capturing traffic from an infected machine, and analyzing what is currently happening on the machine. Open the browser and visit any website. Now click the red stop icon to stop the packet capture. Since there are so many packets in the Wireshark capture, they have built a great feature that allows you to filter packets. Click on the Filter Packets box at the top of the screen and type the following filter command. Limit the packet capture to only one conversation by right-clicking on one of the packets and selecting Conversation Filter, TCP. Wireshark also lets you reconstruct the stream data from the packet stream by clicking on Packet, selecting Follow, TCP Stream. You should see the HTML corresponding page. Now let's take another example. For this purpose, I just opened another operating system on my VirtualBox. Now click on the F0 interface to start the capture. Press the shark fin icon, in the top left, to start the process of capturing packets, or you can double-click to start the capture. Open the Firefox. Now, in my Wireshark, you see it just started capturing the packets. First check, is it the same IP address? Here you see it matched. Now I just opened this site. Here I sign up with the username and password. Now we will check the packets in detail. Now stop capture. For communicating with a website, HTTP protocol comes in place. Let's filter. Here you see my IP address just communicate with this site. After that, its response with 200. 200 is used for OK. Here you see all the received files. On userinfo.php, store the info of the user. Click the packet. Here you see the username and password. I will explain more in my upcoming days. You can analyze any network from the microscopic level. If you have any doubts and queries, write below in my comment section.